My name is Tom, and today I'm hosting a small party at my place. I love having my friends over because it makes my home feel alive. My friend Lily is here early to help me with the food. She wears a sparkly silver top, and she looks very festive and bright. I wear my usual blue t-shirt, but I feel very energetic and ready. We are in the kitchen, making many small snacks for our guests. I am making sandwiches with cheese, ham, and fresh green salad. Lily is busy with the dessert because she is very good at baking. She puts pink cream on small cupcakes and adds some silver stars. The kitchen smells like fresh bread and sweet vanilla. Logic tells me that good food is the secret to a great party. I'm satisfied with the quality of our teamwork this afternoon. Everything looks organized, clean, and very high quality on the table. Lily tells me a funny story about a party where she forgot the cake. I laugh and promise her that we have everything we need today. I am a proactive host, so I check the drinks in the fridge. We have orange juice, apple juice, and a lot of cold water. My blue eyes are bright as I see the colorful plates. We want our friends to feel comfortable and very welcome. Lily says that a party is about people, not just about the food. I agree with her, and I feel very stable and happy. We finish the snacks and put them on a large wooden tray. The sun is starting to set, and it is time to decorate the room. I am Tom, and I am proud of our creative kitchen work. Every detail of the cupcakes is perfect and looks very tasty. I am satisfying with the friendly atmosphere in my house. We take the tray to the living room carefully. Lily is singing a happy song while she walks. Our proactive preparation is almost finished. We are moving to hang the decorations. The living room is big, but it needs some magical light. I have a long string of warm fairy lights in a box. I stand on a stool to reach the high part of the wall. Lily holds the other end of the lights and tells me where to go. "A little more to the left, Tom," she says with a smile. The lights are small and look like little stars in the room. I am satisfied with the warm glow they give to the walls. Everything looks high quality and very cozy for our guests. Lily puts some colorful pillows on the sofa to make it soft. She also lights a few candles that smell like cinnamon and orange. Logic says that a good atmosphere helps people to talk and relax. I am Tom, and I'm enjoying this creative process very much. My blue t-shirt is comfortable as I move around the room. We put some light jazz music on the speakers at a low volume. I want my friends to be able to hear each other easily. Lily checks the photo booth corner we made near the window. There are funny hats, glasses, and signs for our friends to use. I am a proactive person, so I test the camera on my phone. The room looks like a scene from a beautiful 3D movie. I feel a lot of positive and creative energy in my heart. Lily says that the room is now perfect for a Friday evening. We sit down for 1 minute to breathe and look at our work. My house feels very different with these lights and candles. I am satisfied with the stable and peaceful mood we created. Every detail of the room is now ready for the first knock. I check my watch, and it is exactly 7 o'clock. The party is about to start, and I am very excited. Lily looks at the door and fixes her purple flower clip. We are ready to be the best hosts in the city. We are moving to open the door for our guests. The doorbell rings, and the first guests are finally here. It is our friends Mark and Sarah, and they look very happy. I open the door with a big smile and give them a hug. "Welcome to our small party," I say with a loud voice. Lily is behind me, waving her hand and laughing. The hallway is bright, and the atmosphere is very energetic. I take their coats and show them the way to the living room. Mark says that the house smells wonderful and looks very cozy. I am satisfied with his positive reaction to our decorations. I give them some cold orange juice in tall glass cups. More friends arrive, and the room becomes full of voices. Everyone is talking, laughing, and eating the small sandwiches. I am Tom, and I am walking around to talk to everyone. I want to make sure that no one is sitting alone or bored. Logic tells me that a host must be proactive and very friendly. My blue eyes see many smiles and happy faces in the room. Lily is talking to Sarah about her new creative projects. Her sparkly silver top reflects the light of the fairy lights. Everything feels very high quality and very real in this moment. We share stories about our week and our plans for the holidays. I feel a lot of love and respect for my good friends. The music is perfect, and the volume is just right for talking. I am satisfied with the quality of the communication we have. Some people are looking at the photo corner and laughing. Every detail of the evening is going according to our plan. I feel very stable and confident as the host of this party. The food is disappearing fast, and that is a very good sign. Lily gives me a thumbs up from the other side of the room. We are having a successful and very joyful evening together. We are moving to the photo booth to take some pictures. We are all gathered in the photo corner near the window. There are many funny things to wear, and everyone is choosing. I put on a pair of huge red glasses and a blue tie. Lily is wearing a crown and holding a sign that says, Party Queen. We look very silly, but it is a lot of fun for us. I am Tom. I love making these funny memories with my friends. Mark takes the camera and tells us to make a funny face. We all jump and laugh as the camera light flashes. Logic says that photos are the best way to keep a moment forever. I am satisfied with the high quality photos we are taking today. Everything looks vibrant, colorful, and very energetic on the screen. We spend 30 minutes just posing and playing with the hats. Lily suggests taking a group photo with all the people in the room. We stand together, and I feel the warmth of my friendly community. This is the best part of the evening because we are all united. I'm a proactive friend, so I send the photos to our group chat. Everyone checks their phones and smiles at the funny pictures. My blue t-shirt looks great next to Lily's silver top in the photo. I feel that these moments make our life very rich and interesting. We talk about the old photos from our university days 5 years ago. Time flies fast, but our friendship is still very strong and stable. I'm satisfied with the quality of the bond we share as a group. Every detail of the evening is full of laughter and real joy. We decide to sit down and have a more quiet talk now. The energetic part of the party is over, and it is time for stories. I am Tom, and I feel very relaxed and happy with my friends. Lily brings some fresh tea and the last tray of cupcakes. The candles are still burning, and the room is very beautiful. We are having a deep and honest conversation about our lives. We're moving to sit on the floor and talk. The room is now quiet, and only the candles give soft light. We're sitting on the floor on soft pillows and blankets. The jazz music is very low, and the atmosphere is peaceful. I am Tom. I like this part of the party the most. We talk about our dreams, our fears, and our future plans. Lily tells us about her wish to travel to Asia next year. She wants to see the temples and learn about a new culture. I tell my friends about my goal to start a new creative blog. Logic tells me that sharing dreams helps to make them real. I am satisfied with the honest and deep communication we have. Everything feels very high quality, stable, and very meaningful. My blue eyes are focused on the small candle flame on the table. We listen to each other without any interruptions or phones. This is a very rare and high quality moment in our busy world. I feel a lot of peace and support from the people in this room. Lily says that she is thankful for our friendship in this evening. I am a proactive friend, and I thank everyone for coming today. We talked for 2 hours about everything and about nothing. My blue t-shirt feels cozy, and the room is warm and safe. I believe that real connection is the most expensive thing in life. Every word is important, and every story is very interesting. I am satisfied with the quality of the evening we organized. The fairy lights are still glowing like small stars on the wall. One by one, our friends start to say that it is time to go. We give them hugs and say goodbye at the front door. I tell them to get home safely and to call me tomorrow. The house is slowly becoming silent and empty again. I am Tom, and my heart is full of good thoughts and energy. Lily stays for 5 minutes to help me with the first dishes. We are moving to the final scene of the night. The guests are gone, and the house is very quiet and still. I look at the living room, and there are some empty cups. Lily is leaning against the door frame, looking a bit tired. "That was an amazing party, Tom. Thank you," she says softly. I tell her that she was the best co-host in the whole world. Her sparkly silver top is not as bright in the morning light. I see the first light of the sun appearing in the gray sky. Logic says that a clean house is better for a good sleep. I am a proactive man, so I start to pick up the napkins. I put the empty juice bottles into a large recycling bag. Lily helps me to put the pillows back on the sofa properly. Everything is becoming organized and clean again very fast. I am satisfied with the quality of our work and our friendship. My blue t-shirt is a bit messy, but I feel very successful. I am Tom, and I am a very happy person after this Friday. The fairy lights are off now, and the room is simple and real. I walk Lily to her car and wave my hand as she drives away. I come back inside and lock the door of my quiet apartment. Every detail of the party was perfect and very high quality. I'm satisfied with the stable and friendly atmosphere I built. I go to the kitchen to drink one last glass of cold water. My story about the party with friends ends with a big smile. I'm ready to go to bed and sleep for 8 long hours. I'm a proactively thinking man who values his social life. The silence of the house is peaceful and very comfortable. I check the photos on my phone one last time before sleep. They look ultra realistic and full of real, happy human life. I am Tom, and I'm looking forward to our next big meeting. Tomorrow is Saturday, and I will have a very slow morning. Good night, city, and thank you for the love and the friends.
Write a comment. 3 best comments get 20 English lessons completely free.